So I made some soap for the first time the other day, and the scent was straight fire. So my bro wanted me to make him some, and I was like, bet. So I went on ahead and started 3D printing up this soap mold, and it turned out pretty good. You already know it had to be fit for a king, so I had to customize that beach. And then I whipped me up a little silicone base for the custom mold. Once that silicone was mixed, I went ahead and poured the mold into it so it could set overnight, and the next morning it was ready and turned out better than I expected. So we went on ahead and got ready to make our soap. And this is a little quick tip: you can just fill the mold with the base so you're not wasting any, but I went ahead and prepared it for the double boiler method. Got that bitch on there, and I went ahead and sprayed my soap mold down with some rubbing alcohol. That way you don't get any soda ash. Next, I went ahead and got a Dixie cup, started putting some black salt in there, added me a few oats. Stuff's good for the skin, so finish melting, we can go ahead and pour it right on into that cup, along with whatever fragrances and colorings you want to use. I went ahead and used the fir because it smells so good. I think he's gonna like it too. So now that that's in there, you want to mix it up with the popsicle stick or whatever, and you go ahead and pour it in your soap mold that you've made, or me in this case. Now that we've got that in there, you see those bubbles at the top? We're gonna go ahead and give those a few sprays with rubbing alcohol. Take the bubbles down, and we're gonna let her cool. About 4 hours later, and the soap has set and is now ready for removal. So we're gonna go ahead and carefully remove this soap mold right here. And I must say, this turned out better than expected. Holy shit, the letters, everything pops. I was like, damn. So hope that you like this, bro. That's what I call fit for a king, you see. And it is ready to be shipped out. Hope you enjoy, everyone. Peace, much love.